So I did lose a little over 10 pounds doing the smoothie cleanse. Hey babes, it's KeairaJay and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm telling you babes all about the JJ Smith Green Smoothie Cleanse, and I'm going to tell you guys what it is, how to complete the cleanse successfully, as well as my results. So please keep watching and we'll go ahead and jump right into the cleanse. Okay, so the JJ Smith Green Smoothie Cleanse is a 10-day cleanse where you are consuming mostly smoothies or green smoothies for overall health, digestive health, or to jumpstart your weight loss journey. So some of the benefits that JJ Smith states for completing this 10-day smoothie cleanse is, obviously weight loss is probably the number one that a lot of people complete it. And then the next thing, which is just as important, probably the most important, is overall digestive health. Another thing the smoothie cleanse help with is more energy, better sleep, and reduce cravings. Okay, so now how to complete the Green Day Smoothie Cleanse. So JJ Smith does a pretty good job with putting all of the helpful information in a PDF format. So everything that you need to know about completing the cleanse is in the PDF document that you download. So you guys can go to her website to get the PDF. So when you get started, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and read the PDF. It is a little over 100 pages, so you can probably skim through a lot of it, but you definitely want to pay attention to the parts that tells you, the reason why you're completing the cleanse and how to properly complete the cleanse. So she does include a grocery list, which is great because for each day of the 10 days of the green smoothie cleanse, you will be drinking a different smoothie. I love this idea because repetition or constantly having the same thing, it gets you bored. I definitely do like having to make different smoothies and just trying different ones. So aside from the grocery list that's included, it is broken up into 5 days. So you have the first 5 days and then you have the second 5 days. And aside from the day-to-day recipes for the smoothies, she also gives you a list of don'ts. So of course, no juices, pops, sweets, red meats, anything of that nature you are to avoid at all costs. I also enjoyed that there is an option to have snacks. So you can snack on certain things like boiled eggs, raw or unsalted nuts, sweetened peanut butter, and as many raw vegetables that your body can handle. Now I'm going to tell you guys the two versions of the green smoothie cleanse. So the first version is just drinking the green smoothies 3 times a day. So that's breakfast, lunch, dinner. And with each smoothie, you will have 12 to 16 ounces. You can also have these snacks that are listed. Now the modified version of the green smoothie cleanse is that you would have 2 smoothies and then you would do a light dinner. So that would be like light salad with maybe 2 ounces of grilled chicken, something of that nature. So really light. If you decide to do the modified version, of course, no restaurant food. Try not to eat heavy things. I would recommend not eating red meats at all, just because you are cleansing your body. Before you complete the smoothie cleanse, there are a few more things to keep in mind. One thing is that she does mention how it's also important to detox your body. I did go over this a little bit in my previous video. If you haven't seen it, I will link it above and also in the comment section below, where I talk about some of the detox products that I like. All right, so now that you babes know a little bit more about the smoothie cleanse and how it works, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to mix the smoothies and some of the recipes. And then after I show you guys the smoothies, I'll come back and give you guys my final review as well as my weight loss results. Okay, so the final thing I want to talk about in my review is my weight loss. So of course I experienced weight loss whenever you reduce your caloric intake, especially with something like a cleanse or detoxing your body. And as long as you're drinking enough water, you are going to lose weight. So I did lose a little over 10 pounds during the smoothie cleanse. I think it was maybe like 10.4 pounds, something along that, which is one of the key selling points of this smoothie cleanse in particular, because and they do say that it's typical to see a 10 to 15 pound weight loss. So that is definitely a plus in my book, especially if you're embarking on like a weight loss journey or you just needed to cleanse because you probably haven't completed a cleanse before. My final overall view would be that I highly recommend this cleanse. It's a little easier, or not even little, it is a lot easier than the 3-day water fast that I completed to cleanse my body, only because you're actually consuming food. With the smoothie cleanse, it is very gentle on your digestion system, so you don't have to worry about the weird stomach cramps that comes with some cleanses and detoxes. Also, the fact that you can have some snacks as far as boiled eggs and then nuts and still snack on like raw veggies. I think it definitely makes it a little easier. So I would say if it's your first time completing the cleanse, you can possibly start with the modified version. And then after you're completed with the modified version, then maybe in like a few months, you can go ahead and do the regular version of the cleanse. It is recommended that you cleanse several times a year. If you guys want to complete the JJ Smith smoothie cleanse, I'll go ahead and link her website below. I know in the past she did have a few of the chapters free and like a few of the recipes for free, but I believe you have to purchase the PDF to have the full version of it and all of the recipes, but I will link that information below. So that concludes my JJ Smith green smoothie cleanse review. I hope you babes found this information helpful and that you enjoyed the video. If you guys have completed this cleanse before, please leave me a comment below and let me know how it went for you guys. I can't wait to hear from you, and as always, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss an upload. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you babes next time. Bye.